Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today's topic is how do tax deductions work when donating a car. Overview: donating your car to charity can result in significant tax savings if you include it in your charitable contribution deduction. However, doing a little planning will ensure that you maximize the tax savings of your donation. Table of contents. Step 1. Find out how much the charity sold the car for. Step 2. Determine the car's fair market value. Step 3. Claiming the deduction. Donating your car to charity can result in significant tax savings if you include it in your charitable contribution deduction. The Internal Revenue Service IRS requires you to calculate your tax deduction in one of two ways, depending on how the charity uses your donation. 1. Deductions for cars. The charity's sales are limited to the sales price. 2. In most other cases, you can use the car's fair market value. Here are 4 simple steps and tips to help you understand and claim a tax deduction for your donated car on your tax return. Step 1. Find out how much the charity sold the car for. Use the price the charity sells your car for as the amount of your deduction. For example, if the charity sells the car at auction for $3,000, your deduction is limited to $3,000, even if the fair market value is $4,500. However, if the charity sells the car at a significant discount to a needy individual or keeps the car for its own use, then you can claim a deduction for its fair market value. If the charity sells your car for $500 or less, you can deduct $500 or your car's fair market value. Whichever is less. For example, if your car is valued at $600, $50 but sells for $350. You can deduct $500. Charities are typically required to report the sales price of your car to you on from 1098C. Step 2. Determine the car's fair market value. To estimate your car's fair market value, to calculate your deduction, the IRS suggests that you use a reputable used car price guide. Consider consulting the Kelley Blue Book My Car's Value online tool. For example, search the private party prices for your vehicle based on its make, model, and overall condition. Step 3. Claiming the deduction. In order to claim a deduction for your donated car, you need to have documentation of your donation. At a minimum, the documentation you receive from the charity needs to include your name, the vehicle identification number, the date of your donation, a statement describing any goods and services you received in return for the donation. Report the amount of your deduction on Schedule A, since you can only claim a deduction for your car donation. If you optimize the total of all your eligible deductions on Schedule A, typically need to exceed the standard deduction amount for your filing status. Step 4. Additional forms you will need. Complete Form 8283 if your car donation deduction is more than $500. If your deduction is between $501 and $5,000, you need to complete Section A. Your deduction is greater than $5,000, you will complete Section B. If you complete Section B, you will also need a return appraisal as documentation. Remember, with TurboTax, we will ask you simple questions about your life and help you fill out all the right tax forms. With TurboTax, you can be confident your taxes are done right, from simple to complex tax returns, no matter what your situations. Okay, thank you guys for